Drafts from your fireplace when it's not in use can seriously mess with your heating bills and make your house feel cold and drafty, but you can fix that fast with a couple of easy tricks. So, first off, you gotta make sure that damper is closed tight. Like really tight. Sometimes people think it's closed, but it's just barely shut and air still sneaks through. If you want to go the extra mile, grab a chimney balloon or an inflatable draft stopper. These things are lifesavers for blocking chilly drafts without any hassle. Pop one up in your chimney after you close the damper, and it'll stop cold air from sneaking inside. Also, check around the fireplace for any cracks or gaps where air might be leaking, and seal those with some heat-resistant caulk or fireproof sealant. When winter hits, keeping warm air inside your home is clutch, so don't forget to cover the fireplace opening with a glass or metal screen to keep things tidy and cut down on drafts. And hey, while you're at it, inspect the chimney cap. If it's missing or damaged, cold air and even critters can get in, which is the last thing you want. Finally, if you're not using the fireplace for a long time, consider installing a chimney cover to block drafts completely and keep out rain and debris. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fireplace drafts is thinking just closing the damper is enough when it really isn't, so always double check that it's sealed tight or use a draft stopper for extra protection. Another common issue is ignoring cracks around the fireplace opening, which can let cold air slip in easily. Just seal those up with the right heat-proof materials to keep your place cozy. The third problem is skipping chimney maintenance, like replacing a broken chimney cap, which lets cold air and animals inside. Fixing or putting in a new cap is an easy way to stop that from happening. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it helps you find reliable local contractors who actually know what they're doing. It's also great for contractors who want more work, since it connects them with people ready to start their big home projects.